Hello, my name is Dr. Jay Allen with Falls Community Health. Whooping cough is an illness that kills over 85,000 infants globally each year. Whooping cough rates are unfortunately on the rise, with 6 times more cases this year than last in South Dakota. This is a preventable illness with the Tdap vaccine. If you are pregnant or have close contact with a baby, please consider the Tdap vaccine as your immunity protects your infant. Ask your doctor if you're due for a booster, or contact Falls Community Health for more information.